got all my ingredients for the pickle ready. So this is around 9 lemons I have taken. Next, this is around 2-inch fresh turmeric. Okay, I'm going to peel it and then I'm going to chop it finely. Same for ginger. And then I have taken green chillies. All these I have washed nicely and I have pat dried. Before you cut your fresh turmeric, please apply oil in your hand and then start working with the fresh turmeric. So I have chopped everything. Cut lemon into small pieces. Then fresh turmeric and ginger finely chop, and green chilli, just slit it in the center. That's it. Keep it whole. Now you will need rock salt. If you do not have rock salt, you can use regular salt. Okay, and also a clean, odor-free, dry bottle. It's very important. Now let's start making the pickles. First I am adding 2 spoons of rock salt into the bottle. Now add in the chopped lemon, little bit. Next you add your fresh turmeric and ginger, and then green chilies. Now again I am going to add salt, a teaspoon of salt. Again I am going to fill it up with lemon, fresh turmeric and ginger. The reason we are adding salt in between also is so that it spreads evenly everywhere. We are going to shake the bottle, but then this will be easier. You can take a bigger bottle also. Now again, to top it up, just add another 1.5 teaspoons of the salt. Salt, the proportion will vary depending upon the number of lemon, ginger, turmeric and green chilies that I am using. Okay, now what we have to do is just shake the bottle well. An important tip here is, see, I have filled till the brim, but ideally use a bottle where there is little space in the top so that it's easier for you to shake it. Once it soaks up the salt, the quantity will reduce, but for the initial days it will be easier if you use a taller bottle. That's it. Our pickle process is almost done. Now what you have to do is every day shake the pickle for another 3 to 5 days at least. Once in the morning and once in the evening. Just give it a good shake like this. And they will ferment beautifully. I have already made a batch of the lemon pickle. Let me show you. See, the skin of the lemon is so soft. The pickle is absolutely ready. So after 5 days, you can check by eating a lemon piece. The skin will be so soft. This means it's done. Then all you have to do is keep the pickle refrigerated. No oil, super healthy, fresh turmeric, ginger and lemon pickle is now ready to use. Serve it with rice, rotis or any meal. So good for health. Do try and share your feedback with me. I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.
Like this video, share this video with all your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Masterchef Mom.